भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. In continuation with the previous discourse, I would like to take this sixth mantra of Mundakopanishad. Ehyehi tamahutaya suvarchasa suryasya rashmibhihi yajamanam vahanti priyam vacham abhivadantyo archayantyaha eshavah punyas sukruto brahmalokah. In the previous discourse, it was explained that a sacrificer, one who performs the yajnas and yagas, and he will put some offerings in the fire towards his deity. Those offerings will take into the form of rays of sun. Once a performance is completed, in the same manner many performances will be performed during his whole lifetime. After completion of his life, once he leaves the body, he will go to the next world. When he starts moving from this body, then the previous offerings in the sacrifice, which are in the shape of rays of sun, they will welcome him. They will take him into the next world. It is explained here, Ekyehi tamahutaya suvarchasaha suryasya rashmibhi yajamanam vahanti. These are all the very powerful rashmaya, rays of sun. That means the offerings will be in the form of sun rays. They will welcome the performer to the next world. They will take him into the next world, where he is going to have his fruits. That means the effect of the yajna, that is punya phala, it will be experienced in the next world, that is brahmaloka or swargaloka. Priyam vacham abhivadantyaha archayantyaha. The rays will praise him. The performer will be praised by the sun rays. Archayantyaha. They will shower on him the praiseworthy words. Eshavah punyas sukruto brahmalokaha. This is the brahmaloka or swargaloka in which you are going to have your punya phala, that means sukha, sukhanubhuti. So please come sir, to the next world. We are going to take you to that world. This is the kind of treatment the performer will have after his death. Okay, what will happen next? One who performs these karmas, or one who is in the karma marga, to have certain effect or fruit, he will perform so many yajnas and yagas. Accordingly, he will have the fruit, and he will stay in the brahmaloka or swargaloka, whichever loka may be. After a particular period of time, once he completes his sukhanubhuti in that loka, after completion of that anubhuti, he has to come back. Kshine punye martyalokam vishanti. He has to come back to this world only. So, once you perform the yajnas and the yagas, definitely these karmas and the yagas will give their effect. Their fruit will be there. But it is anitya phala. It is not a nitya phala. If you perform a yaga and you have collected very big amount of punya, for that punya he will stay in the Swargaloka for 100 years or 1000 years or so many years. One fine morning it will also be finished. Once the punya is finished, he has to come back to this world only. So it shows what? It shows that karma phala is anitya. It is well explained in the next mantra. Plavahyete adrudha yajnarupa ashtadashoktam avaram yeshu karma etachreyo yebhinandanti moodhaha jaramrityam te punareva apiyanti. This is a very important mantra in the Mundakopanishad. There are several mantras which are very important. Among them, this is also one important mantra. In this mantra, it is explained that plavakyete adrudhaha yajnarupaha. These yajnarupaha, yajnarupa means the yajnarupa, it denotes the karma. Yajnarupaha ete arthat yajnarupani karmani plavaha adrudhaha. Plavanta iti plavaha, adrudhaha na sudrudhaha, yajnarupaha etaccha jnanarahitam. Bhashyakara says etaccha jnanarahitam karma etavat phalam avidya kama karma karyam ataha asaram dukkhamulamiti nindyate. This is the substance of this mantra. Once you perform any yajnas and yagas or any kind of karma, this karma without jnana, without jnana means jnanam nama brahma sakshatkara. Without that jnana, only the karma is performed. This karma etavat phalam. Etavat phalam means for this karma only a particular period of time he is having the license to stay in the Swargaloka or Brahmaloka, wherever he goes. After completion of punya, he has to come back once again to this world only. So this karma is always giving only anitya phala. That's why it is called as plavaha adrudhaha. Plavahyete. Plavaha ityukto, this is just like an unsafe boat. If a traveler travels in a boat which is unsafe, he does not know at what period of time he will sink in the water. So this is the unsafe way of traveling. Plavaha ete adrudhaha ashtadashoktam avaram yeshu karma. Here this ashtadashoktam avaram yeshu karma, ashtadasha karma. Ashtadasha, there is a numerical explanation. Ashtadasha means 18 type of karma. What does it mean? It denotes accordingly In each and every yaga there will be 4 ritviks: Brahma, Adhvaryu, Hota and Udgata. These are all the 4 ritvijas. These 4 ritviks have their own group. Each one ritvik have their own special group. That is called as Hotrugana, Adhvaryugana, Udgatrugana, Brahmagana. And each one having 4 in his group. 4 into 4 will come into 16, and then along with those 16, Yajamana and his wife will become 17th and 18th. So these 18 people will perform the yajna. That is called as Astadashoktam Avaram Yeshu Karma. अस्थिराः यज्ञरूपाः यज्ञस्य रूपाणि यज्ञरूपाः यज्ञनिर्वर्तकाः अष्टादश संख्याकाः षोडश ऋत्विजः पत्नी यजमानश्च इत्यष्टादश. षोडश ऋत्विजः, that means 16 ritvijas. Who are they? In each and every group there will be 4. For example, Yajnakarmani Adhvaryuhu Pradhanaha, Adhvaryuganaha, Adhvaryugane, Adhvaryuhu Pratiprasthata, Neshta and Unneta. These 4 ritviks will be in the Adhvaryugana. And then Brahma, Brahmanachansi, Agnit, Pota iti Brahmagana. These 4 belongs to Brahmagana. And then Hota, Maitra Varunaha, Achavakaha, Gravastut. These 4 belongs to Hotrugana. Udgata, Prastota, Pratiharta and Subramanya. These 4 belongs to Udgatragana. These 4 ritviks belongs to 4 Vedas. Hota belongs to Rigveda, Adhvaryu belongs to Yajurveda, Udgatru belongs to Samaveda, Brahma belongs to Atharva Veda. So, in each and every yajna, these 16 ritviks will be there. Along with these 16 ritviks, one Yajamana, the sacrificer, and his wife will also be there. So, with the help of these 16 ritviks, Yajamana will perform the yajna. This is Bahujana Sadhyam Karma, Bahushrama Sadhyam Karma, Bahu Kashta Sadhyam Karma, Bahushrama Sadhyam Karma, Bahu Kala Sadhyam cha Karma. This is the kind of performance which needs these kind of 16 ritviks. So, Ashtadashoktam Avaram Yeshu Karma Etadashrayam karma uktam katitam shastrena yeshu ashtadashasu avaram kevalam jnana varjita. Having these 16 ritviks in the karma, one who performs the yajnas and yagas, but he does not have any jnana. Jnana means Brahma Sakshatkara. He does not have any Brahma Sakshatkara. Because of that only he performs these karma. Though without the jnana, these karmas will be performed, but this is not a nitya phalakam karma. This is anitya phalakam. It gives only anitya phala. अतस्तेषाम् अवरकर्माश्रयाणाम् अष्टादशानाम् अदृढतया प्लवत्वात् प्लवते सह फलेन तत्साध्यं कर्म कुंडविनाशादिव क्षीरदध्यादीनां तत्स्थानां नाश। यथा कुंडे विद्यमानं दधि कुंडनाशात् दधि नश्यति, तद्वत् अनित्यानि कर्माणि इमानि यानि भवन्ति तानि कर्माणि अनुष्ठाय यः अनुष्ठाता भवति सः तत्फलमपि अनित्यमेव प्राप्नोति, न तु अनित्येन कर्मणा नित्यं फलं प्राप्तुं शक्यते। That is explained here. Plavakyete adrudaha yajnarupa. These yajnadi karmas are adrudaha plavaha, just like unsafe boat. These are all themselves, they are not nitya, they are not permanent one. They are themselves, they are anitya. These karmas will give anitya phala only. So एतच्छ्रेयो येभिनन्दन्ति मूढाः यतः एवं एतत् कर्म श्रेयः श्रेयः कारणमिति ये अभिनन्दन्ति अभिहृष्यन्ति अविवेकिनो मूढाः। But what happens if performer, one who performs these kind of yajnas and yagas, he will have the belief that I will get a good amount of effect, good amount of fruits. With that belief only he will go to perform the yajnas. But karma itself is anitya, it gives anitya phala. Because having that kind of belief, he is called as moodha, because he won't get any nitya phala by performing these kind of yajnas and yagas. Ataste jarancha mrutyuncha jaram mrutyum kinchit kalam swarge sthitva. Jaram mrutyuncha, because of such kind of performance, that means having followed this karma marga, again he has to come back. Once the karma phala is completed, he has to come back to this world only. So he has to take a fresh birth and he will do some performances. Because of the effect of that performance, he will go to the next world, that is Brahmaloka or Swargaloka, whatever it may be. After having experienced the fruit of that karma, he will have to come back. So once again he comes to this world and he will take a particular body. Body means body, it has its own limitations. After becoming old, he will have jara, and after a particular period of time he will have to leave the body, that is mrityu. Arthat jara mrityu. Jara means vardhakyam, mrityu means maranam. Jara mrityubhyam abhibhutah. Jara mrityu akrantah bhavati. Arthat punarapi jananam punarapi maranam. एतस्मात् भवबन्धात् मुक्तिः कर्म मार्गात् न भवति तस्मात् प्लवाः एते अदृढा ते पुनरेव अपीयन्ति. पुनः पुनः तत्र लोकान्तरं गच्छन्ति, कर्मफलम् अनुभवन्ति, कर्मफल समाप्त्यनन्तरं क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकं विशन्ति, अस्मिन् लोके आगच्छन्ति, लोके आगत्य पुनः शरीरांतरं गृह्णन्ति, शरीरांतरे पुनः कर्माणि अनुतिष्ठन्ति, कर्मफल अनुभवाय पुनः लोकांतरं गच्छन्ति, एवं गच्छन्ति आगच्छन्ति गच्छन्ति आगच्छन्ति, एवं गत्यागति रूपात् संसाराद् मुक्तिः तेषां नास्ति. अतः कर्म मार्गः अदृढो मार्गः, ज्ञानरहितः कर्म मार्गः अदृढो मार्गः. अविद्यायामन्तरे वर्तमानाः स्वयं धीराः पंडितं मन्यमानाः जंघन्यमानाः पर्यन्ति मूढ़ाः अंधेनैव नीयमाना यथान्धाः. But the whole world is almost in the karma marga. Easily nobody can come out of this karma marga because the attraction is like that, and because the effect of the ignorance is like that. Because of that kind of ignorance, he will, almost all people will be in the karma marga only. How they feel? Avidyayamantare vartamanaah swayam dhiraah panditam manyamanaah. Kincha avidyayam antare madhye vartamanaah aviveka prayaah. Though they are ignorant, they are ajnas, they are murkhas in the eyes of a jnani. These people are ajnas and murkhas, but these people, those who performs yajnas and yagas and follows this karma marga, they thought what? They don't like this kind of explanation. They think themselves that we are the wisest people, we are the wise people, we know everything, we are performer of so many yagas, we will have the effect of these yagas, we are the wisest people in the world. They think like that. Avidyayam antare vartamanaah. Avidyayam antare, avidyayaah madhye. Avidya nama jnana rahitavastha. Karma anusthana marge ye vartante te jnana rahitaah. Ateva avidyayam vartante. Karma marge vrittihi ityukto avidyayameva vrittihi. Avidyayam vartante. Param te kim chintayanti atmanam swayam dhiraah panditam manyamanaah. Panditam manyamanaah bhavanti. Panditam manyamanaah ityukto self-wise, thinking themselves as learned one. Swayam dhiraah panditam manyamanaah. I am the learned one. They think like that. But actually they are not. Swayandhiraah panditaah dhimantaah viditaveditavyaascheti manyamanaah atmanam sambhavayantaah te janghanyamanaah jararogadi aneka anarthavrataihi hanyamanaah. Janghanyamanaah ityuktau ye tatra karma marge rataah jararogadi anarthavrataihi pidyante pidyamanaah. There will be diseases, there will be old ageness, there will be so many difficulties in the life. In spite of having all these things, they think themselves as learned one. They are the wisest one. Janghanyamanaah jararogadi anarthavrataihi hanyamanaah bhrajam pidyamanaah pariyanti vibhramanti moodhaah. Why they are in the karma marga? Darshana varjitatvat. They don't have the knowledge of Atman. Because of that only they are andhenaiva achakshushkenaiva niyamanaah pradarsyamana margaah yatha loke andhaah akshirahitaah gartakantakadau patanti tadvatu. Like a blind man, blind people will be led by a blind man. What will happen? Definitely they will meet the anartha only. They will meet the anartha parampara. In the same way, karma marga itself is a anartha. One who follows this karma marga, he will not get out of this anartha parampara. So, to come out of the anartha parampara, one has to go for jnana marga. If one chooses this karma marga, that is like a blind people who are led by a blind man. What will be the ultimate outcome? Anartha only. In the same way, if you follow the karma marga, it leads to you to the anartha phala. So, janghanyamana pariyanti moodhaha andhenaiva niyamana yathandhaha. Avidyayam bahudha vartamanaha vayam kritartha ityabhimanyanti balaha yatkarmino na pravedayanti ragat tena aturaha kshidalokashchavante. Kincha, the same karma marga will be explained as it is not a wisest people's choice. Avidyayam bahudha bahuprakaram vartamanaha vayameva kritarthaha kritaprayojanaha ityevam abhimanyanti abhimanam kuruvanti balaha. Yajnas and other kind of rituals, they feel very proud. Abhimanyanti balaha, but they are the ignorant people. Abhimanyanti balaha. Yadyasmadevam karmino na pravedayanti tattvam na jananti ragat karma phala raga. Why they don't know the tattva? Which is nitya, which is anitya? Why they are not in a position to differentiate it? Because they are the desirous of karma phala. They are having the desire to have the karma phala. That's why they are performing these kind of yajnas and yagas and rituals. That is the main reason why they follow the karma marga. So, if they have the desire of a particular fruit, accordingly they will go to the sadhana. If a man desires of swarga, definitely he will look for the instrument by which he will get the swarga rupa phala. So, in the Shastra it is said as karma is the only means to attain swarga, etc. So, he will go to the karma marga and he will perform Darsha Purnamasa yaga, Jyotishtoma yaga or Agnihotra, whatever may be the karma. Accordingly, because of that desire in the fruit, he will go to perform the karma. He is having proud of himself to perform these kind of yajnas. He will not come out of this because he does not know the difference between karma and jnana. He is having the desire in the karma marga only. That's why avidyayam bahudha vartamanaha vayam kritartha ityabhimanyanti bala. In the following of this karma marga only, I am kritartha. I am fulfilling my desires. Whatever the ichha, karma phalechha, I am fulfilling through following this karma marga only. So, ityabhimanyanti balaha yat karmino na pravedayanti ragat tena aturaha kshidalokashchavante yasmat karma marge tesham yasmad abhiruchihi तस्मादेव ते न जानन्ति कर्म मार्गस्य अनित्यत्वम् अनित्य फलदायकत्वं कुतः कर्मफले तेषाम् इच्छा सद्भावात् because they are having the desire about the fruit of karma. That's why they will not see beyond this karma phala. That's why they are not in a position to go to the jnana marga. Tena karanena aturaha means dukkharta santaha kshinalokaha kshinakarma phalaha swargalokachyavante. Because having the desire of that particular karma phala, they will perform some karma. As the effect of that karma, they will go to Swarga. They will enjoy the fruit of that karma. After completion of that punya, once again they have to come back to this world only. Chine punye martyalokam vishanti. Once they are forced to come back to this world from that Swargaloka, again they will meet the sorrow. So what happened? Though this karma gives some kind of punya phala, sukhanubhuti, but it will end up with the sorrow only. So this is anitya phala. Though it is giving some kind of sukha, sukha will come at the end, it will be ended in the sorrow only. So this is anitya phala. That's why this karma marga always gives anitya phala. Whatever the anitya phala, it will end up in the sorrow only. Ishtapurtam manyamana varishtham nanyachreyo vedayante pramudhaha नाकस्य पृष्ठे ते सुकृतेनु भूत्वा इमं लोकं हीनतरं वा विशन्ति. इष्टापूर्तम इष्टम यागादि श्रौतं कर्म पूर्तं वापी कूप तडागादि. Here this word denotes a particular meaning. Ishtam nama yagadi. इति शब्देन अभिधीयते. Because yagadi, actually yagadikam or performing the yaga is not one's desire. He is desirous of the effect of yaga, not the yaga is his desire. He is desirous of yaga phala. What is the yaga phala? Yaga phala is Swarga or Sukha. So he is desirous of that phala. To achieve it, yaga is an instrument. That's why he performs yaga. So it gives the ishta phala. It is called as ishta. So yagadi ishta. Purtam nama vapi kupa tadagadi. Purtam puryate iti purtam puryate. Purtam nama vapi kupam vapi. Just like this, what you call some pushkarini or kupa well, this is called as vapi and kupa. That is called as vapi kupa tadagadi. Smartam manyamanaha etadeva atishayena purushartha sadhanam varishtham pradhanamiti chintayantaha अन्यद आत्मज्ञानाख्यम श्रेयस साधनम न वेदयन्ते न जानन्ति प्रमूढ़ाः पुत्र पशु बन्ध्वादिषु प्रमत्ततया मूढ़ाः. एते जनाः एतादृश इष्टापूर्तादिकमेव अत्यन्तं वरिष्ठं मन्यन्ते. Performing yajnas and yagas, this is the highest form of living. This is the wisest people's choice of living, and doing some kind of works for the public just like providing the well for the public people, providing the garden for the public people, providing such kind of facilities for the public people, the convenience which is required for the public, if it is supplied by a particular person, itself is a great job. Tenaiva kritakrityatam manyante. So, ishtapurtameva manyamanaha varishtham. Nanyachreyo vedayante pramuna. That's why they are ajnas, they are moodas, they are ignorant, because they don't see the other way. Atmajnanam. Atmajnanam iti kinchidasti yena nityam sukham vayam praptum shaknumaha iti napashyantyeva moodha. Because they don't see this is the ultimate goal of the life. If you perform yajna yaga, that is, it is enough. If you do something for the public purpose, if you provide something convenience to the public, that is enough. That is the goal of the life. They think like that. That's why they are not in a position to see outer world. That is, Jnana Marga also is there. It will not come to their mind at all. Nakasya prushthe te sukrute anubhutva imam lokam heenataram va vishanti. Of course, definitely they will get the effect of that karma in the form of swarganubhuti, sukhanubhuti. The swarga sukha, they will have that swarga sukha. And if you perform these kind of purta, that means providing some public amenities, providing some roads or wells, etc., the public convenient facilities which are required, if it is provided by a particular person, definitely he will have the effect of that kind of generosity. He will have the swarga phala. But that is not the end, because that swarga phala also is anitya. One day will come when he has to come back from swarga phala. That's why nakasya prushthe te sukrute anubhutva. Because of the effect of these kind of performances, he will go to swargaloka. Nakasya prushthe swargaloke anubhutva sukham anubhuya punaha imam lokam heenataram va vishanti. He will come back to this loka. This loka means this manushya janma. He may come back to manushya janma also, or otherwise heenataram va vishanti, or tiryagjantu janma. The janma of like dog, tigers, lion, etc., or some kind of insects. That kind of janma also may be yatha karma yatha shrutam. Purva janmasu anusthita karma yat sanchitam tad anurupyan janma punaha prapnoti swargat chutaha. Kritatyaye anushayavan drishtasmritibhyam yatheta manevancha. In this Brahma Sutra also it is explained, once the effect of the karma is completed in the swarga, kritatyaye anushayavan, because of the previous sanchita karma which is phalonmukha, tad anurupyan janma prapnoti punaha asmin samsare. Kritatyaye anushayavan. The same meaning is here explained. Nakasya prushthe te sukrute anubhutva imam lokam heenataram va vishanti. Tapashraddheye shupavasantyaranye shanta vidvamso bhaikshacharyancharantaha suryadvarena te virajah prayanti यत्रामृतः स पुरुषो ह्यव्ययात्मा। ये पुनस्तद्विपरीताः ज्ञानयुक्ताः वानप्रस्थाः सन्यासिनः। Up to this mantra, karma marga is explained. It is also explained, if you perform karma, definitely you will have its effect, but it is not a nitya phala. One who does not follow this karma marga, what will happen? And how his life will be? This is the curiosity. It is explained in this mantra. Tapashraddhe ye hyupavasantyaranye. Tapashraddhe, tapaha swasrama vihitam karma, shraddha hiranyagarbhadi vishaya vidya, te tapashraddhe upavasanti sevante aranye vartamanas santa. One who performs swasrama vihitam karma, varnashrama vihita karma, according to Veda and Smriti, different type of karmas will have to be performed. Here swashrama vihitam karma, swasya ashramaha. If he is in the brahmacharya ashrama, he has to go to his teacher, he has to serve him, he has to sit in front of his teacher, and he has to show utmost respect to his teacher, and he has to study as the teacher teaches, and he has to bring some summits etc. for the anusthana of his guru. That is the service he has to make to his teacher. That is the brahmacharya, and he has to study at all. That is the main aim of brahmacharya ashrama. And brahmacharya and then grihasthashrama. In the grihasthashrama is a vast ashrama. A grihasthashrami has to perform so many duties. He is ordered by the Shastra in such a way, he has to perform so many yajnas and yagas. He has to invite the atithis, he has to serve the atithis, he has to perform Deva Puja, he has to perform Brahma Yajna, he has to perform Agnihotra, he has to perform Bhuta Yajna. These are all the 5 kinds of performances has to be taken place. Grihasthas having full of karmas in his life. All other 3 ashramas are depending upon grihasthashrama, and he has to perform all these performances. And a vanaprastha, here along with his wife, he has to go to forest, and he has to live there. He has to punish his body by taking a particular amount of food only in a particular period of time, and he has to do the dhyana and tapas, and he should not show any desires to the worldly objects. And then sannyasa ashrama, the ultimate one. In the sannyasa ashrama, a sannyasi has to do the Omkaropasana and Brahmanu Chintana, Vedanta Chintana. These are all the ashrama vihita karma. Ashrama vihita karma, yena ashramina yadyat kartavyam tadeva kriyate. Swashrama vihitam karma shraddha nama hiranyagarbhadi vishaya vidya. हिरण्यगर्भादि विषया विद्या एव श्रद्धा नाम उपासना रूपेण इति उच्यते उपासनम् एतद्वयं सेवन्ते अरण्ये वर्तमानाः ये अरण्ये अरण्यवासिनः नाम वानप्रस्थाः वानप्रस्था वा भवन्तु अथवा सन्यासिनो वा भवन्तु सन्यासिनः एंड वानप्रस्थाः these two are different in ashrama but the goal will be the same because both are not having desire in the worldly object but the difference is a sannyasi is alone a vanaprastha can be live with his wife that is the difference both may be in the forest also that is the one who is not should not involve in the worldly business so shantaha uparata karanagramaah shantaha means one who is almost controlled his indriyas he is called as shanta that is vanaprasthaah and sannyasi विद्वांसः विद्वांसः नाम ज्ञानिनः ज्ञानप्रधानाः गृहस्थाः अपि भवितुमर्हन्ति एतादृश विद्वांसः भैक्ष्यचर्याञ्चरन्तः परिग्रहाभावात् उपवसन्ति अरण्ये भैक्ष्यचर्यां भिक्षाचर्या नाम स्वस्य उदरस्य पोषणार्थमेव किञ्चित् कर्म अकृत्वा केवलं भिक्षाटनेन लब्धम् अन्नं तत्र स्वीकृत्य शरीरं पोषयन्तः भैक्ष्यचर्याञ्चरन्तः one who do not go for any work to fulfill his stomach that means to achieve some kind of food he will not do anything to get some kind of food he will go for begging that means bhikshatanam that is as sannyasinam bhikshacharya bhikshatanam bhikshacharyancharantah kutah parigrahābhāvāt parigrahah vanaprasthāshramibhih sannyasaashramibhischa parigrahah न कर्तव्यः परिग्रह दान रूपेण यत्किमपि दीयते चेत् तत्तु नैव स्वीक्रियते तेषां तावत् उदरपोषणार्थं यावद् अन्नम् अपेक्षते तावन्मात्रं स्वीकर्तव्यं तद् अतिरिक्तरूपेण यत्किमपि न स्वीक्रियते अन्यत् किमपि स्वीक्रियते चेत् तत् परिग्रहः भवति एतेषां परिग्रहाभावात् एते अरण्ये उपवसन्ति वानप्रस्थाश्रमिणः सूर्यद्वारेण सूर्योपलक्षितेन उत्तरायणेन पथा ते विरजाः विरजसः क्षीणपुण्यपापकर्माणः सन्तः when they leave this body such kind of people that means the vanaprasthas or sannyasins if they leave their body they will go to the another world through उत्तरायण मार्ग उपासना मार्गः इत्युच्यते शास्त्रे अर्चिरादि मार्गः इति च उच्यते उत्तरायणो मार्गः अग्निर्ज्योतिरः शुक्ल षण्मासा उत्तरायणं तत्र प्रयाता गच्छन्ति ब्रह्मविदो जनाः इट इज एक्सप्लेन्ड इन भगवद गीता दिस इज कॉल्ड एज उत्तरायण मार्ग in the Shruti also it is explained in slightly different way te archisham abhisambhavanti archisho ahaha anha apuryamana pakshah apuryamana pakshad yang udang samvatsaram samvatsarad adityam adityat chandramasam tato amanavah purushah enan brahma gamayati हिरण्यगर्भ सायुज्य पर्यन्तम् एतेषाम् उपासकानां गमनक्रमः उत्तरायण मार्गः that is explained here दट इज सूर्यद्वारेण विरजाः विरजाः विगतानि रजांसि येषान्ते विरजाः क्षीण पापकर्माणः येषां पापं नष्टं बिकॉज ऑफ दी strictly they are adhered to the ashrama vihita karmanusthana swashrama vihita karmanusthane baddhadaraः विहितं सर्वमपि अनुतिष्ठन्ति निषिद्धं किमपि नानुतिष्ठन्ति सांसारिक विषये आदरं न प्रदर्शयन्ति उपासनादिकं तावत् कुर्वन्ति तेन तावत् क्षीण पापकर्माणः भवन्ति शुद्धान्तःकरणाः भवन्ति तेषां शरीरत्यागात् परम् उत्तरायणेन मार्गेण गमनम् इति श्रुतिः कथयति तदेव सूर्योपलक्षितेन उत्तरायणेन पथा ते विरजाः विरजसः क्षीणपुण्यपापकर्माणः सन्तः इत्यर्थः प्रयान्ति प्रकर्षेण यान्ति यत्र यस्मिन् सत्यलोकादौ अमृतः सत्यलोकः परमात्मनः ब्रह्मणः लोकः सत्यलोकः इत्युच्यते योऽयं ब्रह्मलोकः सत्यलोकः अर्थात् उपासकैः प्राप्यमाणः लोकः तादृश ब्रह्मलोकं सः ब्रह्मलोकः कः सः ब्रह्मा प्रथमजः हिरण्यगर्भः हिरण्यगर्भसायुज्यं प्राप्नुवन्ति उपासकाः वानप्रस्थाश्रमिणः सन्यासिनश्च यदि ज्ञानहीनाः ज्ञानं तावत् तैः न लब्धं चेदपि स्वाश्रमोचितं कर्म तैः अनुष्ठितं तपश्च अनुष्ठितं श्रद्धा नाम उपासनञ्च अनुष्ठितं तैः किं फलं प्राप्यते इत्युक्तौ स्वर्गादिफलं न प्राप्यते स्वर्गादिफलं तत्र प्राप्यते चेत् पुनः अस्मै संसारायते आगच्छन्ति परन्तु तेषाम् एतादृशं न ते क्रममुक्तिभाजः भवन्ति अतः तेभ्यः हिरण्यगर्भसायुज्यम् इति फलमुच्यते उपासनाफलम् हिरण्यगर्भः अव्ययात्मा अव्ययस्वभावः यावत् संसारस्थ हिरण्यगर्भः प्रथमो जीवः ही इज द फर्स्ट जीव हिरण्यगर्भः समवर्तदाग्रे भूतस्य जातः पतिरेक आसीत् दैट इज श्रुति सेज सवै शरीरी प्रथमः सवै पुरुष उच्यते आदिकर्ता स भूतानां ब्रह्माग्रे समवर्तत इट इज आल्सो एक्सप्लेन्ड दैट ही इज द फर्स्ट शरीरी वन हु इज टेकिंग दिस फिजिकल अपीयरेंस सवै पुरुषः सवै शरीरी हिरण्यगर्भः सो वन हु परफॉर्म्स आश्रम विहितं कर्म and one who does not follow any nishiddham karma one who performs some kind of upasana because of this kind of performances this kind of penance etc he will be without any papa he will become atyantam shuddha because of that effect he will go to hiranyagarbha sayujya through uttarayana marga he will not come back to this world once again but he will not as soon as he reaches hiranyagarbha he will not get liberation he will be with हिरण्यगर्भा till the end of that kalpa अर्थात ये उपासकाः उत्तरायणेन मार्गेण हिरण्यगर्भसायुज्यं प्राप्नुवन्ति ब्रह्मणा सह ते सर्वे संप्राप्ते प्रतिसंचरे परस्यान्ते कृतात्मानः प्रविशन्ति परं पदं कल्पान्तं यावत् हिरण्यगर्भलोके उषित्वा हिरण्यगर्भेण सह तेऽपि मुक्ताः भवन्ति इति ते क्रममुक्तिभाजः भवन्ति इत्युच्यते अतः यावत् संसारस्थायी वर्तते हिरण्यगर्भः अतः अव्ययः। एतदन्तास्तु संसारगतयो अपरविद्या गम्या। Why it is explained here? Aparavidya. Now you have to go back. In the beginning itself, Devidye Veditavye iti hasmayat brahmavido vadanti parachaiva aparacha. One is paravidya, one is aparavidya. Tatra aparavidya rigvedo yajurveda samavedo atharvaveda shikshakalpo vyakaranam chando niruktam jyotishamiti atha para yaya tadaksharagam adhigamyate. ऋग्वेदादिरूपा अपराविद्या अपरविद्यया तावत् निर्वर्त्यं कर्म कर्ममार्गः सर्वोऽपि अपरविद्यायां प्रतिपादितः। पराविद्या या भवति तत्र अक्षराधिगमनी विद्या ब्रह्मविद्या। अपरविद्यया अपरविद्याम् अवलम्ब्य किं फलं प्राप्तुं शक्यते इत्येतावत् पर्यन्तं विवृतम्। So these are all the effects of अपरविद्या अनुष्ठान। अपरविद्या मार्गस्य अवलम्बनेन हिरण्यगर्भसायुज्य पर्यन्तमेव प्राप्तं शक्यते फलम्। अर्थात् हिरण्यगर्भोऽपि संसारे अंतर्गतः। He is also in the world because he is also a jiva. He is also a prathama shariri. He is called as jiva. So हिरण्यगर्भसायुज्य पर्यन्तं अपरविद्यया प्राप्तुं शक्यते। कर्म मार्गावलंबनेन परमात्म सायुज्यं तु प्राप्तुं न शक्यते। अपरविद्यावलंबनेन हिरण्यगर्भ पर्यन्तम् एतदन्तास्तु संसारगतयः अपरविद्या गम्याः। ननु एतं मोक्षम् इच्छन्ति केचित् न इहैव सर्वे प्रविलीयन्ति कामाः ते सर्वगं सर्वतः प्राप्य धीराः युक्तात्मानः सर्वमेव आविशन्ति इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः अप्रकरणाच्च। Here one doubt is raised. No, Hiranyagarbha Sayujya itself is a mukti. No other mukti is there. Itself is a mukti. So if it is mukti, it can be achieved through karma marga also. Why don't you follow this karma marga? Why it is the need of following the karma jnana marga? What is the necessity? Somebody may raise objection, but it is not like that. Hiranyagarbha Sayujya is not a mukti because ihaiva sarve praviliyanti kamaha te sarvagatam sarvatah prapya dhiraha yuktatmana sarvameva avishanti iti yesham tavat muktihi bhavati tesham kamaha ihaiva praviliyanti artha yesham kamanaha sarvada nashyanti ते एव मुक्ताः भवन्ति। कुतः? काम एव जगतः अथवा बन्धस्य कारणं। काम एष क्रोध एष रजोगुण समुद्भवः इति भगवद्गीतायामपि उक्तं। कामः एव बन्धः। कामना यावत्पर्यन्तं भवति संसारः भवति। कामना यत्र लीयते स एव मोक्षः। अत्र तावत् हिरण्यगर्भसायुज्यं यावत्पर्यन्तं तत्र प्राप्नुवन्ति तेषामपि कामनानां नाशः नास्ति। अतएव तेषां गमनमस्ति। गत्वा हिरण्यगर्भसायुज्यं प्राप्नुवन्ति तत्र कल्पान्तं तिष्ठन्ति तावत्पर्यन्तं कालप्रतीक्षा तैः कर्तव्या। परन्तु ज्ञानमार्गे तथा नास्ति। ज्ञानं यस्मिन् क्षणे जायते तस्मिन्नेव क्षणे मुक्ताः। दट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ज्ञानमार्ग एंड कर्ममार्ग। अपरविद्या प्रकरणे हि प्रवृत्ते न ह्यकस्मान् मोक्ष प्रसंगो अस्ति। इदन्तु प्रकरणम् अपरविद्या विवरणात्मकं प्रकरणं। हियर इट इज स्टार्टेड लाइक दैट। अथ परायया तदक्षरमधिगम्यते। बोथ विद्यास विल बी देयर, पराविद्या एंड अपराविद्या। पराविद्या अक्षराधिगमने अपराविद्यायाः स्वरूपं प्रतिपादयितुम् आरब्धम्। So this is the prakarana of aparavidya. Aparavidya swarupam, aparavidya karyam, aparavidya phalam, aparavidyayaha phalasya anityatvam etat sarvam atra pradarshyate. So this is the prakarana belongs to aparavidya. Accidentally Suddenly, how can it be said that moksha is explained here? In the Aparavidya Prakarana, moksha will not be explained. It will be quite ridiculous if it is explained like that. That's why Aparavidya Prakarane hi pravrittena akasman moksha prasangosti virajastantu apekshikam samastam aparavidyakarim sadhya sadhana lakshanam kriyakaraka phala bheda bhinnam dvaitam. Aparavidyayaha lakshanam nama dvaitam, because sadhyam sadhanam, there will be an instrument, there is something to be achieved, that is sadhya. For that, to achieve that, there must be some kind of means, there must be some kind of instrument. Sadhyam sadhanam dvaitam. Sadhakaha sadhyam sadhayitum sadhanam apekshate. Etat sarvam sadhya sadhana sadhaka rupena triputi bheda rupena dvaita prapancha vivaranameva aparavidyayaha gamyam bhavati. That's why here it is not explained moksha. Etavadeva yad hiranyagarbha praptyavasanam. Hiranyagarbha prapti paryantameva aparavidya phala rupena vaktum shakyate. Aparavidyaya, utmost phala. What will be the utmost phala? Means that is the highest status, hiranyagarbha vapti. Not more than that can be achieved through aparavidya. तथा च उक्तम मनुना स्थावराद्याम संसार गतिम अनुक्रमता ब्रह्मा विश्वसृजो धर्मो महान अव्यक्तमेव च उत्तमां सात्विकीमेतां गतिमाहुर मनीषिणः इति. सो दिस इज द अपरविद्या स्वरूपम, अपरविद्या कार्यम, अपरविद्या फलम, अपरविद्या फलस्य अनित्यत्वम. दिस इज द Aparavidya. Aparavidya, the effect of aparavidya and its ineffectiveness because of this is not a permanent solution. Permanent solution, one who is very much tied with the worldly sorrows, almost all such people will try to get out of the worldly sorrow. How can it be possible? It is possible only through the means of jnana marga, not in the karma marga. If the karma marga is followed to come out of the worldly sorrows, again he will be drowned in the worldly sorrow only. So that's why it is explained Vandena iva niyamana yatanda. So this is the effect of aparavidya. Aparavidyayaha swarupam kimartham pradarshitam ityukto tat parijihirshaya tat pariharechaya eva aparavidyayaha phalam sarvada anityamiti jnatva तत्र नित्यफले जिहास नित्यफले ईहा भवति इति कृत्वा ततः परम एतत् सर्वम् अपरविद्या स्वरूपम् अपरविद्या फलस्वरूपं तस्य अनित्यत्वम् उक्त्वा अनन्तरं तदुच्यते किं कर्तव्यं तर्हि अपरविद्या फलं यद्भवति तन्नश्वरमेव फलं दुःखान्तमेव फलं भवति चेत् किं कर्तव्यम् इति चेत्. And in the next mantra it is explained parikshya lokan karmachitan brahmano nirvedamayan nastya kritah kritena tadvijnanartham sagurumeva abhigacche samitpani shrotriyam brahmanishtam. We will go for the explanation of this mantra in the next